Our daily routine requires walking and running. However, our knee cartilage, as time passes, is exposed to many different problems. Amongst many different causes of knee pain, degenerative arthritis is the most common cause. The common causes of degenerative arthritis are heredity, obesity, and repeated trauma. 3D bioprinting and the therapy in regenerative medicine will open a new era for those patients in pain. Currently, there are many different therapies for degenerative arthritis. However, there are limitations to each procedure. 3D bioprinting can bring a breakthrough in the treatment. ROKIT Healthcare combines 3D bioprinting with the technology to derive patients' own stem cells from fat. These stem cell fractions become the source of regenerative potential. ROKIT Healthcare uses cartilage matrix, which serves to signal stem cells to differentiate into hyaline cartilage. By gently mixing the prepared stem cells and cartilage matrix and transferring them into a syringe, the bioink is prepared. A physician can customize different designs of STL file after checking the defect size through the patient's DICOM file. Thanks to new Creator K, we can control over 40 plus parameters to make various structures. Using dual printing, it is possible to print PCL scaffolds and cell extracts inside the PCL scaffold. After printing, a surgeon can implant this scaffold into the defected area. Stem cell fractions in adipose tissue contain heterogeneous cell populations such as ADSCs, endothelial cells, macrophages, and regulatory T cells. 3D bioprinting-based cartilage regeneration therapy allows stem cells to act upon the defect in a 3D arrangement and uniform density. The result helps optimize rapid proliferation and differentiation, cartilage-specific ECM secretion, and ultimately hyaline cartilage regeneration. Micro-CT data and staining results, which show the presence of type 2 collagen, prove the regeneration of hyaline cartilage. ROKIT Healthcare has already begun clinical trials globally. Working with many different institutions and regulatory bodies, ROKIT Healthcare aims to provide innovative and the safest services to patients ASAP. Using this new technology, ROKIT Healthcare would like to create a breakthrough in the therapy for cartilage regeneration.